So as you can see, this birdie is flying and is enjoying its freedom. Oh god. Hey. Oh, back to its cage after a flying spree. uh, Please don't mind all this. We have just shifted. So I have kept this so that they can sit on it, but they don't know what to do with this. So I will make him fly once more. And I have opened this bird's cage as well, but it's quite comfortable in its cage and I have to clean its cage. Sorry for the mess. I will clean it up after I clean my mind. Hello. Hey. Hello. Come on, you can fly. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill. It's finding a place to sit and back to its cage. They are so comfortable in their cage that they don't want to taste freedom. Just like us human beings. We are so comfortable in our invisible prisons that we don't want to go out and explore. We don't want to know how the freedom will taste, how the freedom will feel